is being a working from home dad or a stay at home dad all it's cut out to be? And you could be a working from home mom as well, or just a working from home non-parent, whatever works for you. I used to have a full-time career working in the NHS, head of business analytics, working flat out close to 70 hours a week. And that did not include traveling time, like about 2 hours a day sometimes. So I was working my socks off, and weekends, bank holidays as well. And I did everything I could. And when I was allowed to work from home, even in the day job, and I'm not just talking about during the COVID pandemic, we were allowed to work from home like 4 to 3 days a week if we wanted. I still did not stop working. I put my all in. Now, about 2.5 years ago, I gave up on my NHS career, a really big move for me, to put everything into the web design agency and content creation, because I really love to help people out. But that doesn't mean that just because I was working from home, I stopped putting in the hours. In fact, I think I do a whole lot more, because now I'm only answering and addressing emails and content and things that I want to do that help me and my business. And obviously a lot of you out there too. Now, if you didn't know already, I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I love to design content to help you and your business with regards to WordPress and Elementor. And today's video is sponsored by Kinsta. They're a cloud hosting solution where they want your experiences to matter. Kinsta have been powering WordPress sites for over 10 years. That's a decade of fine-tuning, optimizing, and perfecting their service. And with a 4.8 rating on G2 and Trustpilot, it's clear that they've nailed it. But what's their secret sauce? Well, they've got the latest and fastest C3D servers from Google Cloud. Kinsta is the only host using them, giving you unmatched speed and reliability. If you want to join a winning team, go and get started with Kinsta. So for those of you that are working from home, do you ever feel that people pass judgment on you? Like they think you've got it easy, they think you can go to the fridge anytime you want, you're sat in your pajamas, you got your feet up, you got Netflix on. The thing is, you could still have Netflix on. And I often have YouTube videos playing in the background when I'm working, usually ones where I'm not overly focused on them, but I still want to listen in. Could be a podcast, for instance. Go and check out some of the live chats and things that I've been part of. But there's so much you can learn and work and do at the same time. Ever since I gave up the day job, working from home, I am now more involved in my son's life than ever before. It's my duty, well, I call it duty, but it's kind of like a wonderful experience to drop him off at school. And often we walk, unless it's raining, really stormy weather, or, it's really bad conditions, we will walk to school. And that means I get a good 45-minute walk in there with him and then back again. And when I pick him up, again, I get another 45 minutes in. Now, I like to do a lot of exercise when I'm at home and when I'm not working. Well, when I am working, over here I've got a stepper, another screen, and I can carry on working over here. So for those of you that think I just stay indoors and I'm a hermit, I do get on average about an hour and a half on a weekday when it's school term, walking to and from school from my home. Sorry, I'm going off on a divergent tangent topic here. That's the exercise bit. But when you're working from home, you do get more done. I can actually feel more relaxed, which is kind of contradictory, because when you're working with some clients or you want to get something out, or you're doing a video and the editing's just gone bleh and it's not working very well, or you get a nasty comment from someone, or someone accuses you of only promoting certain products because you've been paid to do it and they don't understand that actually we're passionate about what we do. Things happen, but you can get stressed out. But even then, I can take a step back. I can sit back. I don't have to say hello to anyone who comes in the office who I don't really care about, but you gotta say hello back. Hey, how you doing? How was your Christmas break? Oh, great. You're gonna tell me about what you cooked and what you made and all the stuffing. And you put your hand up, the turkey, I don't really care. How many of you have had that situation where you have to talk or even attend meetings for meeting's sake? I am in so much more control. Working from home allows me to be much more productive. I can timetable things in. I can start to plan around the fact that I'm going to get up, I'm going to do X, Y, Z, and I'm going to take my son to school. Then I may do a video recording or work on a website or create a course or talk to someone about something or problem solve. I can start to decide what I'm going to do and how I do it. But I do feel that the moment you say to someone, like a stranger or a relative or anyone in passing, when they go, well, what do you do? Oh, hey, Imran. Oh, what do you do? Like, even parents at school. Hey, Imran, what do you do? You know, obviously you look like you're busy all the time because you're always murmuring to yourself. Or, you know, I'm like, oh, I've got to do this and I've got to do that. You know, what do you do? And you tell them you're a web designer. Let's be honest here. Sometimes the minute you say you're a web designer, you're on a you feel like you're having to defend yourself from the get-go. Oh, web designer, I bet that's dead easy, innit? Just a 5-minute job. Because people don't often respect or understand that it's not like what you see on the adverts with, you know, Wix and WordPress and stuff like, create a website in just like $1. It's a bit more work is required. So you tell them you're a web designer, and then they go, oh, do you work for a company? And you go, no, I work from home. And people sometimes have this view, oh, talk about easy, and they don't quite respect or understand how much effort we put in to survive, okay? Please don't think that, oh, Imran, you do YouTube as well, and, you know, you're probably being sponsored, and, oh, yeah, you probably got deals going on, your back pocket and all that. You're probably rolling in it. It's nothing like that at all. We all go through the feast and famine stages. We have to work to survive. But just because you're working from home, don't be ashamed of it. I mean, even though I said, you know, you're on the defensive or whatever, but don't be. Someone asks me what I do, I will mention the YouTube content creation side of things, but first and foremost, we're a web agency. We create websites. We create solutions to problems. We help business to achieve above and beyond their business goals and aims. We help people to become successful. Be proud of what you do, because whether someone is working from home or in an office or any other environment, situational, career, job, driving down the motorway or whatever, do any of my analogies actually ever make sense? I am very suspicious that they don't. But whatever someone's doing, as long as it helps them to break even, to put money on the table, to be satisfied with themselves and their family and everything and enjoy life as well, I don't care where you work. Home, office, boat, back of a car or a truck or a lorry or wherever you want. As long as you can do what you need to do, that is all that matters. So I'm a stay-at-home dad, and I don't care what anyone thinks about that, because I'm loving it. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. I'll see you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings.